Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to achieve stunning chrome nail art. First, ensure your nails are clean and shaped. Apply a gel base coat and cure it completely. Next, select your desired gel polish color. This will be the foundation for your chrome effect. Cure this color layer thoroughly, as proper curing is crucial for a smooth application. Now, apply a no-wipe gel top coat over your cured color. This step is critical for the chrome effect. Cure the top coat for approximately 30 seconds, ensuring it's still slightly tacky but not wet. Using a silicone or sponge applicator, gently rub the chrome powder onto the nail surface until a mirror-like finish appears. After applying the powder, use a soft brush to carefully remove any excess chrome dust from your nails and surrounding skin. This prevents a messy finish. To seal in your beautiful chrome effect, apply a second layer of no-wipe gel top coat. Ensure this layer covers the entire nail surface. Finally, cure this top coat completely under your UV or LED lamp for lasting shine. For maximum durability, remember to cap the free edge of your nail with your top coat. This helps prevent chipping and extends the life of your chrome manicure. Don't be afraid to experiment with various base gel polish colors. Each one will create a distinct chrome hue. Always store your chrome powders in sealed containers to maintain their quality.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.